Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start on the iPhone, open Settings, and go straight to Personal Hotspot. Turn on Allow Others to Join so the SSID broadcasts. Make sure you set a strong Wi-Fi password because the QR encodes it. Once done, install a QR generator app or create a shortcut that builds a Wi-Fi QR string with the hotspot SSID, security type, and password. This step ensures the code contains exact connection details. You do this now, so the next slide can create and share the QR safely. Now you generate the QR. Open the generator and enter the Wi-Fi string using the standard format: Wi-Fi, T, WPA, S, your SSID, P, your password. Use WPA if your hotspot uses it. Once entered, create the image and pick PNG or a high contrast option so cameras read it reliably. After creation, scan it with your own phone to confirm it prompts the correct network and password. If it works, save the image to Photos or Files and label it so you can share without rebuilding it. To connect, present the QR on your screen or AirDrop the image. Instruct the other person to open camera or the QR scanner from Control Center and point at the code. Once scanned, they should see a join prompt. Tap to connect. If it fails, make sure the SSID is case-sensitive and the password matches exactly. Regenerate the QR if needed. Finally, disable the hotspot when finished to save battery and prevent unwanted access. This closes the session and keeps your device secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.